lot of people are doing, and at the end of the day, they are begging their brothers and sisters just to survive and just to with the money that you are making from your salary. So that is why I start that your business, or if you start it, you are not going to be making money instantly. Let us say you want to start that your business. You don't just want to start it the way you want. Welcome to God's Power Podcast. You are welcome and welcome again today. So you saw the topics of today. For those of you or for a young entrepreneur who want to start his business, he or her business, and you want to start your business, the things that you need to do or the things that you need to have to make sure that you kick that your business started or on, you need to watch this video, because some of idea and information that I'm going to give on this video is going to help you in that your business that you need to start, or before you start that your business. So when it comes to you starting your business, is what every young entrepreneur are getting wrong today. So the first thing I think that a young entrepreneur should do before he starts he or her business is that you need to make sure that you secure yourself first. You need to secure yourself first. When I talk about securing yourself first, is what a lot of people are not understanding by securing yourself first, because you will be asking me, securing yourself first, what is securing yourself first? Securing yourself first is you being able to put in something outside that can protect you. Because let us say you want to start that your business, you don't just want to start it the way you want. You understand? You don't just want to start it the way you want. First, what I think any entrepreneur should do is that you should put money aside first. So this money you are putting aside is the money that you are going to be using to pay your luggage, your expenses, the things that you use on your daily life. Those are the things that you need to put aside, and you need to make sure at least 6 months, make sure you secure yourself at least 6 months. When I mean secure, you understand what I mean by you securing yourself. You need to put money aside at least 6 months or 1 year. So you will know that, yes, I am guaranteed of 6 months or 1 year house rent, every expenses, food, and every other things are secure. Because when you want to start at your business, or if you start it, you are not going to be making money instantly like you are expecting, or like you thought on your head, or like you have learned from that masterclass, from that study that you have done, or from that whatsoever that you have done to make sure that I give you the assurance that yes, I can do this. So when you start out your business, you are not going to be making money instantly. So it will take like 1 month, 6 months, sometimes it might even take a year before you start making money from your business. You might be making the invested money back, but are you getting profit from that business? That is what matters. So that is why I am saying that you should secure yourself first. So securing yourself is by putting money aside, making sure that you will not be in hunger, because let us say you are not able to survive, you will not be able to grow anything. You will be struggling and you'll be thinking, because you want to be focused. Your head or your mind or your heart or your body need to be free. So you don't need to be in stress when you are trying to start up your business. So all these other things is things that you need to pay attention to, because you don't want to be stressed. You don't want to be thinking about this or that. You don't want to be putting your mind in things that involve finance, that involve money. Because when you are doing a business, you need your full time to make sure that it work out for you. And that is what I want you to think of and want you to do before you start that your business. Don't just start it because you see other people doing it. Just make sure you secure yourself first. And the second thing I want you to do that can still help you, you can test that your business before you start it. So how do you test that your business. So you can still be working, you can still be doing your 9 to 5 or 4 to 9 daily job, still be doing that your business part time. So you can be doing that your business part time, and at the same time you are working your 4 to 9 daily job or 5 to 9 daily job. So that is what I want you to do, because if you know that the business is a business that have a lot of competition, I prefer that you should do it as part time. And when you are doing it as part time, you become used to it. You start mastering different areas and different parts that can help you in that your business, and it will still make you to understand the business, if it's a business that is going to work or if it's a business that is not for you. So you need to do this, because by you doing this is what is going to help you to be in the right track. Because if you are doing a lot of errors, you can discover it on time before you start it. And if it's a business that is going to grow, you can still discover it at that moment you are doing the testing, which means you are working a full-time work, and when you get home by evening, you can just start working on that your business that you are trying to work on. So it's what a lot of young entrepreneurs are not doing. All those are things that I'm talking about: securing themselves and testing their product. So you have to test that your work that you are doing. You need to repeat it multiple times, month to month, and see what this business really is. And when you are doing it as part time, when there is things that involve a lot of heavy work on it, you can pay freelancer for them to help you to facilitate the work and make the work to move more faster, and you can accomplish a lot of things when you pay people to come into that your business and help you, and you pay them a return by doing this. So you doing all these whole paying people and all these other things, you will be able to be paying them back with the money that you are making from your salary. So that is why I said you should still be working at the same time you are doing this your business as part-time. So that is where a lot of young entrepreneurs are getting it wrong, because they just want to go in fully. You cannot just go in fully when you know you don't have a backup. So you need to have a backup to be able to accomplish that thing that you want to accomplish in that your business. And when you see that the business have started growing, don't just leave that your job, or from that your part-time work. Don't just leave it. Even if the business is growing, still give it at least 2 years, maximum 2 years, to see if this business is going to balance before you can leave that your 9 to 5 or 4 to 9 daily job, because you don't want to be homeless tomorrow. It's something that a lot of people are doing, and at the end of the day, they are begging their brothers and sisters just to survive and just to get back up again, because they have lost a lot of things. They have lost money, lose their house, lose their car. So all these other things are things that you need to pay attention to, because if you don't pay attention to all these other things, you are not going to grow and you are not going to move to the next level. Even if you have the strategy, you have the knowledge, what you need is time to study that business that you want to start. Because a lot of time today, people are not paying attention to what they really want to do. They are just paying attention to the money. And that is where they are getting it wrong. Because it's not because that money is coming today that the money will keep on coming every time. So a business that you are making $100,000 today, it might become the business tomorrow might become a business you are making $100 a month. So I just want you to understand that business is changing. The strategy you are using today is not the strategy that people are looking for tomorrow. The product that you are selling today is not the product that is going to be existing tomorrow. So there was in the old time, we will say that people don't know when we talk about Facebook, Instagram, and all those platforms, nobody cares. We don't believe that social media will help a lot of people today to start up their business, start up their stuff, review anything that they are doing, and start making money from it. So that is to tell you that social media is there now doing its work. Now AI is there now doing its work. So there's a lot of things that we need to adapt to be able to become successful. But before we can start adapting all these old things, we need to pay attention to what matters. We need to pay attention to what can help us in different area of our business, in different areas of things that need to help us to become successful in that areas of life, in that area of business. So that is the things that I want you to look at before you start that your business. And the second part of this video is that I want to still talk about working with people, how you can work with people and make that your business grow. You know, a lot of time, mostly we black people, we like working alone, which for me is very, very bad, because I have worked with a lot of people, and when they find out that they already know what they need to know, they will just run away and go and start their own stuff, start their own business. I'm not saying that it's bad for them to go and start their own stuff, but it's better to be transparent in the beginning than to just flip out later and you just leave the people that you are working with and you just do it just like you want. Like, no, you don't care about what other people think, because if I am with you, is because I believe that we need to work together to go far and to move that our business to the next level. So we black people, most of the time, like I'm saying, we don't like working with each other, which for me is a bad influence and is a bad habit, which for me is not something that we need to be carrying along. We should change our ways and like working together. I know you'll be wondering if I'm working with people. Yes, I'm working with a lot of people. If you want to work with me, you can come, we can start out your project, start out your business. We work together. You know, that is one thing. That is my mindset. That is how I think. I don't care if you are black or white. I'm ready to work with any type of people. So what can help in business as a young entrepreneur? You need to learn how to work with people. It's not because you are smart or because you have a lot of idea that can bring a lot of money that you can go and do it alone. Try to work with people. If you have to pay them is necessary, because everybody wants to make the money, even if we have that project that we are trying to work on. So change your mindset of working alone and bring it back to working together. So you try to work with people and see how they can help you in that your business, how they can help you in that your career, how they can help you in different sector. So if you look, this guy, which is called Ali Abda, if I'm calling the name correct, this guy have worked with a lot of people. He was working alone, and when he started working with people, he see a lot of change in his life. He see a lot of help that each one of the people that he's working with are bringing to his business, are bringing to his life. And today is one of the if I'm not mistaken, is one of the biggest YouTuber out there, and is growing every single day because he changed his mindset of working with people and resisting that mindset of working alone because you want everything for yourself. So all this mindset and all this thought of working with people, not working with people, is a mindset of greediness. You know, we want to have everything alone. We want to get everything without sharing, without having anything to give to anybody, you know. So we need to learn how to work together, because that is what is going to help us as a young entrepreneur. We should not just be having that mindset that we know everything. We want to do it the way we want it. No, what people are looking for is not what is in your head. You need to look at what people are looking for, and that is how you can now grow that your business, because you don't want to focus on what you have in your head, because what you have in your head is good, but if people don't know you, how will they now benefit from what is in you, that gift that you have? You cannot put that gift out if people don't know you. Even if you put it out, if people don't know you, then that your gift will go nowhere. So that is why I'm insisting of working with people, because this is what is going to expand your visibility. Is going to make you to get to people that you are not expecting that you will even see in this business, you know, so or in that area or in that sector that you are into. So working with people is a key source to the next level. And one thing that I want to talk about when you want to start up your business, a lot of time people want to start up their business using social media. And yes, I believe social media a lot, and I'm always on social media. I have my YouTube channel, which is Godspower Ugiagbe, where I talk about how to make money online. But I am not just focusing on that alone. I have my own website. So you need to make sure you have your own official website with your name, unique website with your name. That is one thing that a lot of young entrepreneurs are not doing. So they start up their business and they are struggling, trying to find visibility online. If you have your own website, you can publish everything that you are doing on that your website, sending people there, and they are going to be engaging on your content on that your website, either by blogging, videos, in any category of sector that you are. What you need to do is to have something that you have as your own platform that you are using to connect with your audience. This is what is going to help you, and this is what is going to help that your business to grow, and people are going to be referring people to that your business even without you doing any publicity, because when you give value to people, people give value back to you. But if you keep all the whole value that you have to yourself, you are going nowhere. That value is going to die with you, and at the end of the day, you are going to be struggling around trying to walk alone while you are supposed to be working with people. So to end this, to round up this podcast, I just want to let you know that in business, the first thing you need to do is that you need to think about what are people looking for in this your business. And you need to have that mindset of trying to secure yourself first before you go into your business. Don't stop that your 9 to 5 because you want to start your business. Make sure you analyze everything and look at the risk, and just look at the pros and cons of that business before you get involved, because it's what a lot of people are getting wrong, and because of this they are not being able to bring that their business to life and make it to become reality. So that is everything I want to talk about on this video, guys. So I will say thank you very much for watching this video to the end, and I just want to tell you that you should like this video, share, leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I will see you guys on my next upcoming video, guys.